In this video, I'm working with my friend from Turkey on the V sound.
Of the most beloved king ever.
Okay, beloved.
Beloved.
Okay, it's another V.
Beloved.
Good. One more time and just make it a little bit longer.
Beloved.
I didn't hear it at all that time.
Beloved.
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 Okay.
Beloved.
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 Good. Here he mispronounces the V as a W, which I have previously noted in another blog entry. When the lips do this, it's not a V. The lips must do this.
Must have been.
Have
been very beautiful. Very.
Yes.
Very beautiful.
Here in the word carved, he stops his sound in the middle. Carved. Carved. It almost sounds like a B. Carved. 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 Carved.
Delicately carved, as if.
I didn't hear the V. Carved.
Carved.
Here in the word every, he pronounces the V sort of as a mix between a W and an R, and his lips take this position. Every. Every. It's really all about the lip position in this sound. Every.
Still as perfect in every detail as if they were new.
I liked your as if,
Yeah.
but I didn't hear the every. Every detail.
Every detail as if they were new.
I still don't hear a V. I hear
Every.
a stop of the sound.
Every.
Every. Yeah.
Every.
Here in the word of, he started to move his lip up into the correct position, but he stopped making sound with his vocal cords. If he had continued to pass air, it would have sounded like a F, but he did not even do that. He didn't continue to pass air, and he didn't make a sound with his vocal cords, which meant that the sound just kind of tapered off at the end of the word. O, of, very important to keep making sound here.
Of printing.
Of.
Of printing.
So there's a V. Of.
Again. Of.
Of. I don't hear it. I hear O.
Of.
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 Yeah, not of.
Of.
Good. Here again his habit showed of not bringing the lip up. He was making more of a B or P form with his lips.
Movable type?
Move? You hate V's. Do you have V in Turkish?
No, yeah.
You do?
Yeah, we have.
But it's different somehow.
It's V, not V.
Okay.
So it's difficult to say
Movable.
again. Movable. Movable.
Yeah.
Movable.
Good. Here again the lips came into this position. The correct position, of course, is. So it's important to note when you're making the V correct, you will always see some teeth.
Whose achievements?
Achievements.
Achievements.
Achievements. Achievements. Movable. Carved. Every. As I noted in the blog F and V practice, this V sound in words sometimes is extremely short, but it is very important to make sure that you keep producing sound here with the chords and that you bring your lip up. Even if it's just for a very brief as long as you have the lip coming up and the vocal cords making sound, you'll be good.